Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing PayPal Personal versus PayPal Business. So, PayPal Personal is designed for individuals to send and receive money to shop online and make simple transactions. And PayPal Business is tailored for merchants to accept payments online, in person, or via invoices with tools for managing sales, taxes, and employees. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with PayPal Personal. So it is easy to set up and use. It is great for casual use and online shopping. It can send and receive money with friends and family, and there are no monthly fees. Now the cons of PayPal Personal is that it has limited features for selling, can't use a business name, and no multi-user access. Now let's head on over to PayPal Business. So the pros of it is that it accepts credit cards, PayPal, and more. Business name shown to buyers, invoicing, subscriptions, and analytic tools, and it supports multiple users. Now the cons of it is that it is more setup is required, transaction fees may apply, and may need business verification. So which one is right for you? So choose PayPal Personal for casual personal use, and choose PayPal Business if you're selling products or services professionally. And yeah, that is it. That is the difference between PayPal Personal and PayPal Business. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.